no way I can work with someone who's not wearing the required equipment in around. You can get sick, you know. They use a lot of those cleaning products and a bunch of shit that's not good for your eyes or your nose. You get cancer, you know. I read that in the magazine.
Huh. Okay. I will be taking this stuff then. And these. Welcome, security key. Thank you. I'll sign in too. There we go. Gotta make sure you sign in.
Why'd you do that for? I picked up that old sign in the trash. Thought it'd be good decoration.
You know, reasons.
My breaks are boring now. I used to do magic tricks with cards or play solitaire. But a damn rat shoot my playing cards.
Aw.
Can you believe it? Of all the things he could chew, he decided to go through my card deck. And now all I can do during my break is just bang my little pipe against a bigger pipe and try to match the echo. It's fun. Oh, it's fun. But solitaire is just way more fun to me. If only Rick could bring me that new card deck. But I heard he passed away. Hey, maybe you
Tulog
can bring
ka.
me a
Kala
new
ko
card
tutulog
deck.
eh.
Tell you what.
Nandiyan ka sa
See
Coke
that
Zero.
bib right there? There's no way you're gonna open it without the proper tool. For the past days, I've been changing the old rusty vents with these new air filter titanium vents. They're just unbreakable. The only way to get past them is to
Drinking from
unscrew
the
the 4 bolts on the edges.
from the
And
bottom.
for that, you need a little wrench that I might just happen to have in my toolbox. So tell you what, bring me some cards, and I'll give you that wrench. So you can open those vents. Trust me, it'll make your life a whole lot easier.
Okay, sir. I will confirm.
Good. Now look, I've been wanting to pull off this card trick, but I need 5 cards to make it work. So if you can bring me 5 cards, then I'll give you that wrench. You can bring me the rest later. And in case you didn't know,
Okay, dito.
52 cards
The
makes
boy.
a full deck.
Come on, boy.
Start counting.
What if I just find a pack for you?
Kala ko tutulog
That
ka.
would be great. I also took boots. I'm sorry, but
Uy, hoy, 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 hoy. Ganyan.
I'm sorry, but you know how it
Nandiyan ka,
goes
mapakala
around these
mo.
parts.
Mga karating na sa
Well,
pinggan.
oh,
Sorry, darling.
hey,
What are you drinking for breakfast? Coke.
Just passing by.
Yeah, because we ran out of coffee. Ladies and gentlemen, just in case you're watching, my darling is drinking coffee, drinking Coke at 7 o'clock in the morning. Cold one, mind ya.
you were looking for the word labyrinth.
Bagay pala
But,
dyan si,
I mean, you were
si
close.
Vindaloo dyan sa Minion.
So
No?
I'll give it to
Diyan mo
you.
ilagay.
Let's go. Give it to you. I'm gonna go now.
Minion.
Later, buddy. I have a pipe now.
Minion.
And I can kick.
Minion.
I like kicking. And I now have been given the ability to do so again. And I have a flashlight. Laundry, huh? That's fine. I'm gonna keep looking around, see what I can find.
Come on, boy. Come on.
This looks nice. I see where I am. Okay. Whoops. I'll just keep looking around.
Yeah.
I don't know what that yellow bar is on my left side, but
Come
hopefully
here, boy.
it's not too
Come here,
important.
boy. Come here, boy.
Anyway, another flashlight. Neat. Infirmary, if I needed that. Another vent.
Hello. Can I borrow this? Wiki.
Well, I guess now I really don't gotta worry about everything. No, I'm just a cool guy going around the vents. I don't gotta get beaten up
Batman,
anymore. I'm
that's
just
the Batman.
having a fun day.
Oh, this is Superman.
Key, right? I think
Superman.
So. I should. If I don't, then I fucked up.
Superman.
I can't really see too much. In
Just
some
woke up.
areas.
Superman just woke.
You don't gotta see everything to be a badass. Alright, so that door should open.
Hello, boy. How are you? How are you, boy? How are you?
Oh, okay. Huh? Ah. You know what? I also would like to point out, where the fuck is everybody? I don't know. Oh yeah, I should probably look at this. Roy Dilligan, Security, September 12, 2013. I just realized something. We keep the second floor access very secure. Every stair access point is either locked by a fence.
Oh, there's 4 of them now. Good morning, Shopao. How are you? Hi, Shopao. How are you? How are you? Shopao. Oh, Bunso. How are you, Bunso? Oh, Bunso na, darling, ha? Hindi na Onyo kasi she's a girl. I'm not Onyo. I'm a girl. And I don't know what's happening to me. Hey, what are you doing to my other friend, mate? Hey, what are you doing to my other
Apparently
friend?
the butchery has access to the second floor, the butchery keys, and the warden's office not security block. Okay. Got a battery.
Hello,
got
boy.
these.
How are you, boy?
Looking up so far. I've definitely
Good morning,
come
boy.
a long way since my days in a prison
How are you? How are you?
Door unlocked, so yeah, I forgot I had these keys. Pretty dark in here, but I'm sure I'll find my way. Maybe. Hope so. I found a banana. Still dark. I found a bowl. Don't want it. Probably another burrito. Alright, I'm liking this. That was a nice little lock. Alright, I'm just gonna load up on foods,
Still
I
asleep,
guess.
aren't ya?
I mean, like,
Still
assuming
asleep.
this is not a dream sequence. People are gonna wake up tomorrow, they're gonna be like, where our phone go? And then I'll have to explain why I
Shopao.
have stains on my shirt. That might
Hello,
be a little
Bunso.
greasy.
The
And
drama queen.
they'll probably shake me because of
No,
it.
not really.
That's okay.
Just nice and quiet.
It'd be worth it because I would be
And the
full
naughty
and
boy.
satisfied.
Hello, naughty
And that's
boy.
really
How
all
are
you gotta
you?
be sometimes. Full and satisfied.
Naughty
That
boy.
butchery key is required.
Wait,
Okay.
wait.
So,
Ito ka lang.
it's that way. Let's see if I can get there.
What's this patch? Oh, nice.
What?
Must be a milk patch.
See.
No, what? No. Don't jump.
And it didn't happen this
I
time.
know you're always lonely like that, Bunso,
there it
but
is.
don't jump.
Okay. Low place. Are you by chance open, or do I gotta find another way in? I'm good. Thank you. That's already open.
There you go.
Nothing in you. Alright.
Ulit ka na naman, boy.
Also, this is the old monitor. They need the plasmas. Look at it one day. I don't think there's anything really here.
What do you want?
But this one looks interesting. Okay, that one open. Okay, that's where the water.
Shop was drinking water from it as well. They're really thirsty. They can drink water now, I think.
Can I go pick? Alright. Where are you taking me?
Batman.
Are we finding something?
Bad boy.
This looks like it's gonna be good.
What an egg.
And there's this way. Man.
Are you done, darling? Are you finished?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Save the skin for us.
alright.
Hello.
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 Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'll just head to the warden's office.
No, it's too high, mate.
That is an option.
You don't want to jump that high. You don't want to jump that high. How about you?
Well, that's something I'll just have to live with.
The shy, timid type girl. Oh, here we go. Yeah.
I want to go this way.
Have a bite.
What's this? Oh,
Have a bite. Wait, hey, don't jump. Oh,
never know
look,
when
lucky I got a big belly. Big tummy, eh?
So these things
Otherwise, you should have fallen down, Phil.
just make me
Stay
fall.
there.
I don't know, man.
Stay there.
I don't know everything. That did fall. We're gonna get killed doing this. Fuck it. It's really dark over here. Like, darker than dark. Advanced darkness.
Cry. A good boy? A
This
good girl?
way. No. This way. Yes. Alright. This way?